New York City isn't just a place, it's a living museum of architectural rebellion. From wooden windmills to glass giants, every brick tells a story of ambition, crisis, and reinvention. Today, we're unraveling how a tiny Dutch trading post became the world's most iconic skyline and why its buildings are still rewriting history. In 1626, the Dutch founded New Amsterdam with one rule: build fast, build practical. Their gambrel-roofed houses, like the Van Cortlandt Manor, prioritized trade over grandeur. But when the British took over in 1664, they brought Georgian symmetry. Think red brick townhouses with white trim, like Francis Tavern, which still stands today as Manhattan's oldest surviving building. The Great Fire of 1835 destroyed 700 wooden buildings, forcing a shift to stone and brick. Suddenly, New York learned to build to last. But the real revolution wasn't on the ground, it was about to shoot straight up. In 1902, the Flatiron Building shocked New Yorkers. Its 22-story steel frame defied gravity, and critics called it a monstrosity. But it was just the start. By 1913, the Woolworth Building crowned itself the Cathedral of Commerce, with neo-Gothic spires. And a secret: it was funded entirely in cash by Frank Woolworth's five-and-dime empire. In 1916, panic struck. Skyscrapers like the Equitable Building cast streets into eternal shadow. The city responded with a radical law: new buildings must step back as they rise. This birthed the wedding cake skyscrapers of the 1920s, like the Chrysler Building, whose hidden spire was assembled in 90 minutes to steal the world's tallest title.